Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners and guardian at your home, how are you in COVID-19 pandemic situation? I hope you are all well in this pandemic situation, COVID-19. Today's lessons, things have changed our life. Look at the whiteboard. Learners, look at the whiteboard. What is this? Students, gaze this paper. What is this? Do you know or do you guess what is this? I hope you are guess this is wheel. Wheel means chaka. Do you know wheels? Wheels means চাকা বাংলা যেটাকে আমরা বলি চাকা যেটা ঘুরে Today's lessons things have changed our life things have changed our life দ্রব্যাদি জিনিসপত্র আমাদের জীবনকে পাল্টে দিয়েছে এটা it is your textbooks page number 104 105. Look at the book. Look at your textbooks, page number 104 and 105. You have to read out this passage, this simple and easy passage. Read out. You only read out that. This headline, things have changed our life. Unit 9, lesson 1. These lessons and this passage some keyword I write on the white paper. Look at the white paper. Keywords. At the whiteboard, look at the whiteboard, some keywords, some important keywords I write on the whiteboard. প্রথম circular. Circular. What is the circular? Circular means round, rotate, round. That is similar word. Round or what's a synonym round and keyword rotate ROTAT rotate that is gunnon that is round same word again and again same word rotate gunnon axis that means অক্ষ বা মেরু that is orbit propeller PROPELLERS propellers চালক that is drive those who are drives the car and any kinds of vehicles. Turbine, BINE, turbine, gunno যন্ত্র that is wind power. Learners, look at the blackboard. Circular, rotate, axis, propeller, turbine, that is wind power. বায়ু শক্তি আরেকটা দেখো vehicles that is car any kinds of vehicles যানবাহন, যেটাকে যানবাহন বলি আমরা, vehicles. Invention, that is creation. Word, similar word, creation, invention, আবিষ্কার, নতুন কিছু আবিষ্কার করা, that is creation. This is keywords in your textbook. And next, I write on white paper some importance. Choose the best answer. আমি কিছু নমুনা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, সবগুলো দেখানো সম্ভব হবে না। Look at the whiteboard. Choose the best answer. Write on your khata. Ready? Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer from the alternative. From the alternatives. এখানে চারটে অপশান থাকবে। There are more options. Some 4 options. Question A. A wheel is a object. Do you know object? Object means বস্তু, জিনিসপত্র। A wheel is a object. চাকা এক জিনিস। What is that? Option 1, radius. Option 2, circular. Option 3, dot. What do you mean dot? Dot means বিন্দু, বাংলা যেটাকে আমরা বিন্দু। ফিক্সড, কোনো নির্দিষ্ট কিছু। There are 4 options. 1, radius. 2, circular. 3, dot. And 4, fixed. What is this? Do you guess that? A wheel is a dense object. Do you understand? That is circular. This answer, the option number 2, circular. A wheel is a circular object. চাকা একটি বৃত্তাকার বা গোলাকার একটি জিনিস, এবারে নেক্সট কোশ্চেন। This will come your exam. In this way, there are 7 questions. And number 2B, a wheel used on. B, a wheel used on. Option 1, table. Option 2, chair. Option 3, book. Option 4, car. Which option is correct? Guess, like you learner, guess this sentence. Wheel used on. কিভাবে ব্যবহার করা হয়, কোন জিনিসে ব্যবহার করা হয় হুইলসটা? দ্যাট ইজ টেবিল, চেয়ার, বুক, and 4, car. That is car, vehicles, car is correct answer. In this way, Every student gauge the meaning and passage meaning, or read out again and again this passage, then you gaze and understand this passage very clearly. আরও প্যাসেজটিকে আমরা আরেকটি প্রশ্ন দিচ্ছি। আরেকটি প্রশ্ন দেখো, সি হুইচ ইজ ইউজ এভরিহোয়ার। হুইচ ইজ ইউজড এভরিহোয়ার? অপশান 1 হুইল, option 2 turbine, option 3 fan, option 4 boat. What is correct answer? Imagine that wheel, turbine, fan and boat. These 4 options. Have you guessed this? This is wheel, chaka. Wheels, answer wheels. In this way, there are 7 questions will come your exam. Question number 1. Your exam question number 1, these questions come to your exam. The next, I give you some important question for home tracks. Every learner write on your khata very eagerly. Question number 1, what is wheel? What is wheel? What is wheel? Question number 2, what can a wheel do? What can a wheel do? Question number 3, where can you find wheels? Question number 1, Bangla meaning, what is wheels? Wheels, what do you mean by wheels? Wheel কি? অর্থাৎ চাকা কি, এটা বলতে কি বুঝো? You easily understand a wheels means a round things, like wheels, likes another round things, who use our necessaries functions. What can a wheel do? চাকা কি করে? চাকা দ্বারা আমরা কি করি, কি করতে পারি? Where can you find wheels? আমরা কোথায় চাকা খুঁজে পাই? And then next question, who invented the wheels? ইনভেন্টেড, ক্রিয়েশন, কে আবিষ্কার করেছে? চাকা কে আবিষ্কার করেছে? এটা নেক্সট প্যাসেজের মধ্যে আছে। তো এভরি লার্নার know it very well. The wheels invented the ancient Greeks people, and next the Mesopotamians. And next passage, it has very clearly discussed about wheels. Then another home task. Every learner guess the questions and answer these home tasks the next class. The next class. Write short, write a short paragraph on wheels. This is your home task, and this is your second home task. Past home task, the questions, there are post questions, and next home task, write a short paragraph on wheels. Minimum 10 sentences. You have to write on your khata. The next class presented that. Thank you.